Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Tuesday, the fourth day of January. Here you go. Okay, you probably know that you're not allowed to carry outdoors on Shabbos. It's one of the 39 works that you're not allowed to do. But anything that you're wearing, usually, generally, is not considered carrying. It's an article of clothing, and you're allowed to wear clothing, of course, on Shabbos. That's not called carrying. And when you need to put another piece of clothing on top of your clothing to keep you warm, that's not called carrying. It's just taking care of yourself. Today's question, though, will be this. What if I'm wearing good shoes and I'm going outside and there's some slush and I want to put rubber overshoes over my shoes or a plastic over my hat? Am I allowed to do that? Is that considered carrying? They're not exactly protecting me. They're protecting the things that are protecting me. So here's how it works. The general rule on the hat covering, the plastic that covers the hat, is no, you're not allowed to do that. That's called carrying. The general thing on the rubber thing covering over your shoe, that would be allowed, and I'll tell you why there's a difference generally. You see, a plastic that covers over your hat is not really protecting you at all. It's really protecting your hat. So therefore, it's carrying. It's not an article of clothing. And so you're not allowed to wear it outside. You're carrying. It's not an article of clothing. It's not protecting you. It's protecting your hat. But rubber overshoes that are over your shoes are not just protecting your shoes, because in the slush, if you're not wearing them, your feet are gonna get soaked and freezing too. So they're not only acting as a protecting of your shoe, they're protecting your feet from the cold and the damp. So in situations like that, most of the rabbis say that you could wear them because they're clothing. They're protecting your shoes, yes they are, but they're also protecting your feet and keeping them dry at the same time. That makes them an article of clothing, and therefore you are allowed to wear them outside on Shabbos, even where there's no Eruv. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.